Imagine standing in a packed stadium, cameras flashing, fans screaming your name. It looks like a dream, one where money is never a problem. But for many celebrities, this glamorous image hides a surprising truth. Despite earning millions, some stars end up with nothing. How does this happen? In this video, we'll explore the hidden financial struggles behind the fame and reveal why high income doesn't always mean lasting wealth. Let's dive into the world where riches can vanish as quickly as they appear. From luxury cars to private jets, the celebrity lifestyle is filled with extravagance. The world sees red carpets, designer clothes, and lavish parties. But behind the scenes, the reality is often more complicated. Many stars feel pressure to maintain a certain image, leading to spending that quickly spirals out of control. The costs of fame can be staggering, and the line between looking rich and being rich is thinner than it seems. It's hard to imagine losing a fortune when you're earning more in a year than most people do in a lifetime. Yet history is filled with stories of athletes, musicians, and actors who went from riches to rags. The money comes in fast, but it can disappear even faster. Why does this happen so often? The answer lies in the difference between income and wealth, a lesson that's easy to overlook when the spotlight is bright. High income creates the illusion of endless wealth. But the truth is, earning a lot doesn't guarantee financial security. Many celebrities fall into the trap of thinking the money will never stop. They spend freely, believing their next big paycheck is just around the corner. Unfortunately, this illusion can lead to financial disaster when the income slows down or stops altogether. When fame arrives, so do the bills. Mansions, luxury cars, private jets, and expensive parties become part of daily life. Celebrities often hire large teams, managers, agents, assistants, and security. Each new expense adds up, and before long, even a massive income can't keep up with the outflow. The lifestyle that once seemed exciting can quickly become a financial burden. Living in the public eye means keeping up appearances. For many celebrities, this means spending on things that aren't truly necessary just to maintain their image. The pressure to look successful can lead to choices that drain their bank accounts. From designer wardrobes to extravagant vacations, the costs of fame are often much higher than they appear. Personal lives can be just as costly as professional ones. High-profile divorces often make headlines, but they also come with massive financial settlements. For celebrities, a single divorce can mean losing millions. These unexpected expenses can quickly eat away at even the largest fortunes, leaving stars scrambling to recover. Not every business deal is a good one. Many celebrities try to grow their wealth through investments, but without the right advice, these ventures can backfire. From failed restaurants to risky startups, bad investments have cost stars millions. The lesson? Even with lots of money, smart decisions are essential for long-term security. Surrounding yourself with the wrong people can be costly. Many celebrities trust friends or unqualified advisors with their money, only to discover too late that their fortunes have been mismanaged. Without expert guidance, even the wealthiest stars can fall victim to scams, fraud, or simple mistakes that drain their accounts. For some stars, money pours in quickly, but it can stop just as fast. When the spotlight fades, so do the big paychecks. Without a plan for the future, celebrities can find themselves struggling to pay the bills. The lesson here is clear: income is temporary, but wealth requires careful management. History is filled with stories of athletes who earned hundreds of millions only to file for bankruptcy later. The combination of short careers, high spending, and poor planning can be devastating. These stories remind us that even the biggest paychecks can disappear without discipline and foresight. Musicians who once topped the charts sometimes find themselves struggling financially years later. The music industry can be unpredictable, and fame doesn't always last. Without smart money management, even chart-topping success can lead to financial hardship down the road. Fame can create incredible income, but it doesn't guarantee financial security. The difference lies in how money is managed. While the world sees the glitz and glamour, the real story is often about discipline, planning, and making wise choices for the future. Why do so many celebrities spend beyond their means? The answer is often psychological. When everyone expects you to look rich, spending becomes part of your identity. The pressure to keep up appearances can lead to choices that aren't financially wise but feel necessary in the moment. Celebrities often feel they must maintain a certain image no matter the cost. This can mean buying the latest fashions, driving the newest cars, or throwing lavish parties. The need to impress others can quickly become a financial trap, making it hard to say no even when it's the smart thing to do. Fame doesn't last forever. When the spotlight moves on, the bills often remain. Many celebrities find themselves unprepared for life after fame, with expenses that far exceed their new income. This transition can be difficult, and without a plan, financial trouble is almost guaranteed. Many truly wealthy people live differently. Instead of focusing on spending, they prioritize building assets, investing wisely, and planning for the long term. This mindset is what separates lasting wealth from fleeting riches. It's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Building wealth means focusing on assets, things that grow in value over time. While celebrities may spend on flashy items, the truly wealthy invest in businesses, real estate, and stocks. These assets provide income and security long after the spotlight has faded. Investments are a key to lasting wealth. Whether it's starting a business, buying property, or investing in the stock market, these choices help money grow over time. Celebrities who focus on investments rather than just spending are more likely to keep their fortunes for the long haul. Long-term financial planning is essential for anyone, but especially for those with unpredictable incomes. Setting aside money, creating budgets, and working with trusted advisors can make all the difference. Planning for the future helps ensure that wealth lasts even when the spotlight is gone. There's a simple truth that separates the rich from the truly wealthy. Income creates opportunities, but wealth is built by what you keep. High earnings can open doors, but only smart management turns those earnings into lasting security. This lesson applies to everyone, not just celebrities. Financial reality of celebrities teaches us a valuable lesson. It doesn't matter if you earn $1,000 or $1 million, financial freedom isn't about how much comes in but how wisely it's managed. The celebrity money trap is believing that high income is enough. In reality, discipline and planning are what keep fortunes safe. You don't have to be famous to learn from these stories. The principles of smart money management apply to all of us. Whether your income is large or small, building wealth means making wise choices, planning for the future, and avoiding the trap of spending just to impress others. The most dangerous financial mistake is believing that looking rich is the same as being wealthy. Appearances can be deceiving, and focusing on image over substance leads to trouble. True wealth is quiet, steady, and built over time, not just shown off for the cameras. Fame can make you look rich, but only financial discipline can help you stay rich. Creating budgets, saving regularly, and making smart investments are the habits that build lasting security. It's not about the spotlight, it's about making your money work for you long after the applause fades. Trusted financial advisors can make a huge difference. Celebrities who work with experienced professionals are better equipped to protect and grow their wealth. Good advice helps avoid costly mistakes and ensures that fortunes last for generations. As income rises, it's tempting to increase spending. This is known as lifestyle inflation, and it can quickly eat away at even the largest paychecks. The key is to keep expenses in check no matter how much you earn. Living below your means is a timeless strategy for building real wealth. Saving money isn't just for those with modest incomes. Even celebrities need to set aside funds for the future. Regular saving creates a safety net, providing security and peace of mind when times get tough. It's a habit that pays off for everyone. Making smart spending choices is crucial. This means prioritizing needs over wants and thinking carefully before making big purchases. Celebrities who master this skill are more likely to keep their fortunes, while those who don't often find themselves in trouble. One way to protect against financial ups and downs is to build multiple income streams. Celebrities who invest in businesses, real estate, or other ventures create new sources of money that can support them when their main career slows down. Everyone makes mistakes, but the key is to learn from them. Celebrities who recover from financial setbacks often do so by changing their habits and seeking better advice. Growth comes from understanding what went wrong and making smarter choices in the future. Staying humble is a powerful tool for financial success. Celebrities who avoid the trap of showing off are more likely to keep their wealth. Humility helps keep spending in check and reminds us that true value isn't found in material things. Financial education is essential for everyone. Understanding how money works, how to invest, and how to plan for the future can prevent costly mistakes. Celebrities who take the time to learn about finance are better equipped to protect their fortunes. Peer pressure can be a powerful force. Celebrities often feel the need to keep up with their peers, leading to bigger houses, fancier cars, and more extravagant spending. Recognizing and resisting this pressure is key to maintaining financial health. Learning to say no is a vital skill. Whether it's turning down a risky investment or refusing to buy something unnecessary, setting boundaries protects your wealth. Celebrities who master this skill are better able to maintain their financial health. Social media amplifies the pressure to appear wealthy. Celebrities are constantly in the spotlight and every post is scrutinized. This can lead to even more spending as stars try to keep up with the image their fans expect. Recognizing the influence of social media is important for making wise choices. Taxes are a major expense for celebrities. High incomes mean high tax bills, and failing to plan for them can lead to serious trouble. Smart financial planning includes setting aside money for taxes and working with professionals to stay compliant. Celebrities are often targets for scams and fraud. Protecting wealth means being cautious, verifying advice, and working only with trusted professionals. Staying vigilant helps prevent costly mistakes and keeps fortunes safe. Privacy is valuable for financial health. Celebrities who keep their finances private are less likely to face pressure to spend or become targets for scams. Protecting personal information is a smart move for anyone looking to maintain their wealth. Family and friends can be both a support and a challenge. Celebrities often face requests for loans or gifts, which can strain relationships and finances. Setting clear boundaries and communicating openly helps protect both wealth and personal connections. Debt can be a silent threat even for high earners. Celebrities who borrow to fund their lifestyles can quickly find themselves in trouble when income drops. Avoiding unnecessary debt is a key part of staying financially healthy. Thinking long-term is essential for financial success. Celebrities who plan for the future by saving, investing, and living within their means are more likely to enjoy lasting security. The long-term view helps weather the ups and downs of fame and fortune. Success isn't just about money or fame. For many, true success means financial freedom, peace of mind, and the ability to live life on your own terms. Redefining what success means can help guide smarter financial choices. The stories of celebrities who lost their fortunes are powerful reminders. No matter how much you earn, financial discipline, smart planning, and wise choices are the keys to lasting wealth. The spotlight may fade, but the lessons remain for all of us. In the end, fame can make you look rich, but only financial discipline can help you stay rich. The real secret to wealth isn't in the spotlight, but in the choices you make every day. Manage your money wisely and you'll build a future that lasts no matter where life takes you.